Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix the Eufy doorbell going offline. Now if your Eufy doorbell goes offline, first it could be due to network issues. So you locate the doorbell, okay, and then you place it somewhere else and the home base to an area with a better Wi-Fi signal. And ensure that your Wi-Fi is actually set to at least 2.4 gigahertz to stabilize this connection. And make sure you replace the battery or check the solar panel settings because you could be having power issues. And if the camera still goes offline, you can try to reboot the camera in home base, okay, for your doorbell, and you can of course re-add it to your Eufy app. And remember to just back up your footage first. And if it's still causing you issues, you might need to contact Eufy customer support via email. Now, if you go over some of these potential reasons and solutions, it should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.